Today I'm going to talk about how fasting in Ramzan affects our heart health. Both the benefits and the precautions we should all keep in mind, especially for those with heart conditions. Fasting during Ramzan is not just a spiritual act, it also offers special health benefits, especially for the heart. Research shows that fasting can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Both are important factors for maintaining a healthy heart. Fasting supports weight loss by controlling calorie intake. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the strain on the heart. Studies show that fasting helps lower inflammation in the body, which protects arteries and reduces the risk of heart disease. Fasting improves how our body uses insulin, which helps control blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of diabetes and other risk factors for the heart disease. The heart health benefits of fasting depends greatly on what we eat at suhoor and iftar. Choosing healthy foods helps maximize these benefits. Ramazan fasting can be beneficial for your heart, but if only you paired with balanced nutrition and healthy habits. May this Ramazan bring health, peace and blessings for all. Thank you.